Hey, how's it going? So I'm working on one of my projects I need to do for a long time. I'm gonna paint this car fender for my car, and haven't done any car painting yet. So whenever I try to do something like this outside, I always end up getting a little bug or something falls into the paint job. And since it's going on a car, I want to try to do a nice job. And I don't have access to a paint booth or anything, so I decided to try to make my own. Here's what I did. So I went out and I got this. This is on sale at a place called Big 5. It's just like a sporting goods store. But it's pretty cool. I was going to try to get a Harbor Freight canopy and then put netting on it and stuff. And then I saw this thing was on sale and it already had netting on it. And essentially, I think it's just sold as a canopy with netting on it. So if you can go to a picnic or something. Anyway, so should be kind of what I'm looking for there. I'll show you the box that came in. I didn't even know it had instructions on the side. I thought this was just all advertising. Essentially all I had to do is take it out, and I kind of just did it on my own and laid it out like that, and then started propping it up and finished it off, and that's pretty much how it went together. But let's see. So this is gonna be kind of neat. And see, it's got a zipper deal, and so I can close this all up when I'm working in here. I just got some cheap plastic stands here, and my game plan is to, I got these 2x4s, and when I'm getting ready to paint it, what I really wish I could do, it's kind of cool, they got the poles on the outside. I don't really want to punch a hole in it, but I wish I could hang oh, it's not very stable though. I mean, it's stable, but it's not very strong. Here's what I'll show you what I was thinking there. I would like to hang the part that I'm going to paint. See, I got this cable up here that I put up a long time ago. And a lot of times when I'm painting, I'll just get some baling wire and hang my part right up over here. And then I can paint it in the air. That way you only have, the wire would wrap through here. And it would hang and you wouldn't have any spots. Like, if I paint it on the surface, I gotta kind of do it a two-step process. I gotta paint this, decide how, maybe let it dry, and then flip it over and do the other side. By hanging it, you don't have to worry about messing up the paint and waiting for it to dry and stuff. Anyways, I don't think there's a way I can do that. I was thinking maybe those might be strong enough, but they're not. It's too flimsy to hang something from that. So, anyways, that's my project for today. And I'm kind of excited, and I thought, hoping this will work out good to keep all the bugs out. See, there's a little bug there. Oop. Yeah, you probably can't even see him. But that's what I'm talking about. I'd be painting in there, and darn bug would fly right in my wet paint. So hopefully this will be my little miniature paint. The thing that's really cool is when I get done with this project, it'll all fold up and fit back in this little package, and then I can just start like in a shed or something. And so I'm getting like kind of like a 10 by 10 paint booth that I can fold up and put away, which is pretty cool. Anyways, maybe I'll make some more videos as I start working on this, but I just was pretty excited about this idea here, and hopefully it'll work out well. Anyways, I'll talk to you later.